Hey, Star Power, this is Michael Trethart. Looking forward to the class that we have coming to Indy. This is going to be on October 10th, and this is going to be a hands-on workshop on Become Google Great. I'm going to go in and show you how to set up all of the great, amazing, mostly free tools that Google provides to us to build and grow our business. So bring your laptop, bring your tablet, be ready to apply the techniques that I'm going to share with you right there in the class. I've had agents who have gone in and done this, and then they annually make an extra $300,000 to $400,000 a year just from these free tools. So this is definitely a class you do not want to miss. Seats are moving pretty quickly, so you want to go ahead and sign up now. I think also one of the biggest bonus items is we're going to have a mastermind session in the afternoon. So you're going to be able to share ideas, you're going to be able to exchange business information, build your referral network with other like-minded real estate agents from all across the United States. So definitely sign up, attend this session, and be ready to build and grow your business in October. We'll see you then. Thanks.